Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your HP OfficeJet 6975 series printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser and to Google search, you want to search for HP OfficeJet 6975 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best result should be an HP OfficeJet Pro 6975 all-in-one printer. Go ahead and select that. And then underneath support categories, you want to select software and drivers. And then scrolling down, there should be an HP Easy Start Printer Setup Software item in here. Then there should be a download button for that. Go ahead and select that. And then once it's downloaded to your system, go ahead and open up that file and let it extract. And it should be a verified publisher, HP Inc. Select yes. Let this process initiate here and just follow through with the on-screen steps of getting your printer configured for your device. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.